Hi everyone, this is Valerie and you're watching Dashly YouTube channel where we share business hacks for online business, for e-commerce, for SaaS, for anyone who's making money online. So this video is giving you plenty of ideas how you can boost your sales online. But the most precious thing about this is that you can automate sales online. So this means there is no time and effort for getting more profit for your business. Let's start. So I'm going to give you the example how we do this in Dashly, because we've mastered that and I'm pretty happy to share our expertise with you. So what helped us and the majority of our clients to boost their sales without actually interfering a lot into online? So they've automated marketing process, and especially they've automated communication with the potential customers that are then turning into the stunning customers. So I'm talking about a chatbot. So that tool is actually a hidden gem into the marketing communication, and it gives you plenty of opportunities to get more profit, more customers, and more revenue increase for your business. The very first thing that I'm going to draw attention to is segmentation. So you're getting a lot of traffic to your website, and this traffic is from a variety of sources. And the variety of sources are also going to check variety of pages on your website, and there's actually going to be a pot with plenty of leads. You need to segment them. You're going to have electronic CRM, like for example we have in Dashly, and with the help of tracking you're going to put all your traffic into the segments, like for example people from New York under 30, or people from São Paulo who are interested in jeans, for example, or people from Washington who are interested in the enterprise level of your plans, right? So segmentation actually gives you a start for all the further communication. So tracking is the thing that is going to be a real helper and a game changer. Apart from tracking, you're also going to add more leads to the segments with the help of a chatbot, because chatbot also attributes your potential customers during the conversation. Also, the chatbot is giving you an opportunity to build the conversation in such a way that inevitably you get the information that you need. So a potential customer may actually avoid certain answers, or they may try to run from particular questions, right? So be smarter and create the conversation for a chatbot in such a way that you get the information in any way. Also, don't forget that a chatbot may transfer the conversation to a live agent. Well, people sometimes like doing that. So they have some sort of conversation with the chatbot, and then they understand, well, that is not enough. I need some more information, or I'm ready to buy, so send me the invoice, or just help me speak with a particular person from your sales department so that I make sure this product or this service suits me. So make sure your chatbot gives you an opportunity to transfer the conversation to a live agent, and your live agent has a quick access to the live chat conversation whenever they are. If your product needs some sort of demonstration, you can also include the booking option into the chatbot. So there is a booking tool right inside the Dashly chatbot, and people are actually going to schedule the call right there. It is all automated, and all the further emails with the notifications are automated as well. So enjoy the power of automation. And finally, if your chatbot understands that this person doesn't match the ideal customer profile, or this person is going to make a $10 purchase, for example, you can just put them into the self-service process. So I'm sure you have this type of process where the potential customer is making everything themselves, and finally they just understand if they're going to purchase or not. But this doesn't involve your sales department, and the person is actually enjoying this self-service. Now the crucial part is mistakes that you may have with the chatbot. So mistake number one, the chatbot is not connected to the segmentation. Like you remember, segmentation is the first thing you're going to think about once you start getting the traffic to your website. And the same happens with the communication in the chatbot. All the leads are going to fall into some segmentation. Next, don't build a huge, complex scenario. So the chatbot is not going to be a really long one. Remember, a chatbot also has the conversion rates inside it, and the longer it is, the lower the conversion is at the end of this conversation. Next, don't ask for the contact details at the very start of the conversation. First, help. First, give some value, and then ask for the contact details. So be polite. Next, don't forget to connect your chatbot to CRM. That is really important. So you are collecting the leads, you are tracking the information you're getting from the customers, you're also tracking all the data, all the information that you're getting from the chatbot can be revised by a sales manager. So they are going to see what the person has been interested in, and they are going to build the communication with the people around their interests. The next mistake is about connection to a live agent. So if your chatbot doesn't have the connection to a live agent at some point of the conversation, or at least it doesn't give an opportunity to speak to a live person, that is also a mistake, because people are actually going to expect conversation with a live person at some point. So make sure you are providing this opportunity. And the final mistake I'm going to warn you about is imitating that the chatbot is a live person. So judging by our experience, we get a lot of messages in the live chat. Hey, are you a bot or are you a live person? And of course, a live chat has live agents in it, and people are usually say, hey, yes, I'm Jane, and I'm going to give you more information about the products you are interested in. You are telling the people that you are talking to a live person. A chatbot is not a live person, and it is not supposed to be. Make sure people understand that this is a chatbot, but it is still valuable, and it gives plenty of information without human beings. In a nutshell, a chatbot gives a wonderful opportunity to automate your marketing and automate the communication with your potential customers, so that your salespeople are speaking to the people who are likely to buy, and they're not wasting time on those who are not matching the ideal customer profile of your business. So go and build your first chatbot. Use Dashly. You need up to 20 minutes to build it on your website, and simply insert it on your website and enjoy the 7 days of free demo version. See you in the next videos. Bye.